welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. And today's video is going to be the old school kind of a video. I'm doing a subscription box after a really long time, and of course you know by the title that it is a SUGARBOX video. I just love this subscription box for one thing, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. And of course, if you're not aware about SUGARBOX, then let me just quickly tell you that it is a lifestyle subscription box in which you can expect anything. You can expect bags, shoes, I think, clothes, eatables, lot of things actually. So that's why I really like this box, because it offers miscellaneous products and it offers some really good quality products. Yes, the quality of SUGARBOX products is nice. Now it comes in a packaging like this, which is kind of very festive, and it makes you feel special ki wow mere liye to gift aaya hai. It feels like really nice. I love their packaging. Now when I open it, they have a lot of other products, और जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, पता नहीं ये लोग कैसे पैक करते हैं जब मैं इसको वापस से निकालती हूँ, and then when I try to put them back to you guys to show you कि मैंने तो अभी खोला ही नहीं है, trust me I cannot. So that's why this zipper is out of the box. So let me start this video with this one. And this edition, let me just quickly tell you. So this edition is called as Color Burst Edition, and so it says a burst of color, a glimpse of love, and book your March edition for a surprise that stuns the heart. So probably this is a March edition and I'm doing it in the April, but nonetheless it is available on the website. I will leave the link of it in the description box. So let me talk about this zipper real quick. It's a beautiful, like, metallic holographic kind of a thing, and it has all those beautiful things like cupcakes, donuts, macaroons, cactus, diamonds, everything is over here. So it's really like fun, very summer appropriate, nice bottle. It is a plastic one, of course. All the zippers are plastic mainly, and yeah, I really like it. I like the capacity of this one. I think this has to be 500 ml, so this will kind of contain a lot of liquid, but I don't think this is insulated, so you'll have to put some ice into it. So yeah, and don't put hot drinks into plastic mugs. So yeah, this is the first thing that I got into the box. The next thing is this, which of course I've not opened. It's called as Deep Cleansing Diamond Face and Body Gel Scrub. I have never tried, I think, gel scrubs. Let me just quickly open the packaging and see what this entails of. It says that it cleans the skin with pure sea salt. It is blended with olive extract and vitamins that gets you glowing. And this is by some Dr. Rashil. I am not sure, but the packaging of it looks really luxe, very luxurious packaging. It feels good, it feels substantial. Everything is really nice. This is called as Diamond Face and Body Scrub. It doesn't have anything which is kind of harmful to the skin, and yeah, it's really nice. I don't know the price of this one, guys. I'm going to leave price and everything in the description box for you guys. And this one is suitable for all the skin types, so you don't have to really worry ki haan mere skin type ka nahi hua to kya hoga. So this is a pretty big tub. Smells quite familiar and smells really nice, guys. This smells really nice. This is what it actually looks like. It is kind of a gel thing, and I'm happy because I have oily skin, so I prefer gel based products or water based products any day during the summer. So this is going to be really handy. So thank you, SUGARBOX. The next thing in this packaging is a cap. I love caps, you guys know. So recently in my Coves video, I did tell you guys about my love of caps for you guys, and I love caps any day. And this one is a baseball cap, which is yellow, which is my favorite color. I love it so much. Thank you so much once again, SUGARBOX. Caps are very important during the summers. If you haven't started wearing it already, start doing it, because that actually protects your hair a lot, and also I think the face, so in the sun. So it's a really nice color, and it has a banana over here. I think it's really fun and quirky, so I'm gonna really use it. So guys, moving on to the other thing that I have, there's an eatable thing over here which is called as Solon Triplex. What is this? It is not English, pata nahi kya likha hua hai is pe, but it feels like it has some hazelnut with some crunchy thing. Forget it, let me just open it, eat it, and tell you guys. So this is what the packaging of it looks like. They have a chocolate wafer on the top. It has, I think, a layer of hazelnut and a layer of chocolate. Delicious. It has crunchy hazelnuts into it, and it has a layer of chocolate into it. It's amazing, guys. I really like it, and I'm gonna finish it after doing this video. The next thing in the bag is this one. Now this is quite helpful because it is a multi-purpose, a very versatile kind of a necklace, which has a lot of attachments. So there's a chain and there are like multiple attachments to it. The first one is, okay, a lot of attachments actually. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 or 6, no, 5, 6, 2 2 4 1 5 5. तो पहला वाला जो है, so there's a chain और इसके साथ है एक Eiffel Tower, there's a flamingo and then there's a heart, then there's an owl and then there's a flower in this packaging right over here which says love. It's beautiful. It is kind of, you have one chain and you can wear all these pendants along with this one, so you will actually have 5 necklaces. And the quality is super decent. It is not bad quality. It doesn't look artificial and doesn't look cheap. Especially this Eiffel Tower, it looks kind of pretty good. I really like this one. The next thing in the bag is this bag. Okay, you have to carry it like this, I guess, and it says drama, and it's a black bag. It's faux leather and you just flip it like this. So there's a zipper compartment. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है इसको secure करने के लिए. So when you open it, there's a kind of, yeah, space over here, just one compartment, nothing extra. But this part over here can also be opened and you can stuff it with a lot of things, which is like quite a new thing for me, especially I don't have any bags of this sort, and it is like pretty cute and pretty kind of dramatic. Like it, not love it, but yes, I like it. Moving on to the last bit of this particular sugar box is my favorite. I think I will have to admit that this is one of my most favorite of the things in all the kind of sugar boxes. Now we have a jumpsuit, and oh my god, the quality of this jumpsuit, it doesn't feel like subscription box mein aaya tha. This is what the jumpsuit actually looks like. So I can also tie it over here, or else I can also, there's a button over here and I can just kind of you know, secure it with the button so that I can have it as a dungaree sort of an overall, or I can just have it as a halter neck top. Now this fabric is really nice. It is kind of a rayon fabric, which is amazing for the summers actually. Very comfortable fabric. I love this, and it fits me perfectly on the ankle. If you're taller than 5 feet 2-3 inches, this is going to fit you as a culotte, which will be like 3/4 length of a thing. It is parallel, very comfortable, has pocket, elasticated waistband, so it is amazing, and I'm sure it's going to fit me. Even if this is kind of loose, I don't mind. And they also have this loop over here for the belt, so if it is loose, you can definitely make it a little stylish by wearing your favorite belt over here. I loved this one, and this is one of the most amazing things that I've ever received in the sugar box subscription boxes abhi tak, and that's why I kind of wanted to do this video for you guys. So I'll leave link of it in the description box, just in case if you want the sugar box, the color burst edition. You can definitely go ahead and check the description box out. I really love the color burst edition of sugar box. Let me know, how did you like it, and did you enjoy it or not? Leave everything, your opinion, suggestion, your comments, anything that you have to say in the comment section below. Give this video a like if you have enjoyed it. You can definitely be subscribed to my channel by hitting the subscribe ka button, and you can also hit that bell button. वो जो bell का icon बना हुआ है, just click on that so that whenever I upload a video, you get a notification on your phone. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, keep yourself hydrated, drink lots of water, eat lots of watermelon, and yeah, be colorful, be happy, and you know that I love you so much. Bye guys. Bye. I love you.